just bought this device, and about an hour ago it came. I looked on YouTube for a review, and there wasn't one in English anyway. There was a couple in German, but not in English. It's the Einhell Power Exchange model nail gun. I'll just put this over here a second. Show you the box. Here's the box. Power Exchange is called. It's this system here whereby one battery fits all their tools. So they all come with it as a bare unit. So you'll buy the bare unit, and then you'll have the batteries for, you know, skill saws, jigsaws, multi-tools, whatever you like. So that's the box. And here is the box for the batteries. It's two 4 amp hour 18 volt batteries with double charger. Now I just bought them. I've never done a review before, as I say, but I couldn't find one for this thing, so I thought I'd do a quick one, a bit lively, because it's freezing cold out here. So I'm going to be at it too long. I'll tell you how cold it is. I just see a dog stuck to a lamppost and a monkey crying his eyes out. It's that cold. In any case, there's the boxes. This is the gun itself. I've charged the batteries up. It took exactly 1 hour 15 minutes. So it's 75 minutes. And it says that on the box. So it does exactly what it says on the box, which is always nice. I've just put some nails in there. You get a couple of free things with it. I say free. This is a belt clip that attaches onto here with a little Allen screw. I don't really think you want it hanging on your trousers because it is really heavy. And the Allen key to fit that is here, which is nice. So you just pull that down and pull that out, and there you go, which is a nice little touch. Back in, click, job done. So that's that. Batteries on, fully charged, as I say. It's quite a heavy device, you know, very heavy, very bulky. Plastic shell, rubberized handle. On the back here, you've got your depth gauge. Back, forward. That's really simple. I can't really say a lot about that. And as I say, it's not a massive device. It's big enough and heavy enough. You're not going to go framing roofs with it. You know, if you're buying this to go framing a roof, I don't really know what to tell you. It is what it is. It's a DIY machine for £150. So, some nails in there. Here's some timber. No nails in that bit, as you can see yet. Push it this way. This way? Yeah, okay, there you go. Put that in. Whack. That's gone home. That nail. See on the side? Can't see, it's gone home. Again, this end. Again, gone home. That nail. Driven all the way down, which is nice. That's what you want it to do. Take the battery off. Flick this little switch here. Undoes the chamber. Nails out. Staples in. You've got the back and up. That's locked in. Battery on. Timber. That's gone way home. Look at that. Can't see that. It's not proud in any way. Again. All the way home. Not proud. All the way home. So, there you go. Quick little review. As I say, not done one before. It does what it says on the tin. It's handy. It's quite heavy. It's quite robust. It's quite bulky. Other than that, it's quite noisy too, actually. I'm not going to lie about that. But other than that, I think it's a good little device for what you're paying for. I'm not going to attest to its reliability because I just don't know that yet. I've only just owned it for about an hour and a half. So, you know, I'll do another little video on it maybe in a month or so, or a couple of months, when I've used it a lot more. I'm actually building something at the moment that I will use it for. So that will let me know whether it's reliable or not. So yeah, just a quick review. The einhell Power Exchange nail gun and stapler. I think it's okay for now. I think it's good. As I say, a bit heavy, bit noisy. Other than that, not a problem. One thing it doesn't have, actually, before I go, I noticed some of these have a little function whereby you can flick a switch or do something and just hold down the trigger and have it just, you know, just bang, 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 bang. This doesn't have that function. So you have to physically hit the trigger down and hold it down every time, which, you know, old school, isn't it? So there you go. Not a bad device. I quite like it. I think it's worth the money, up to now anyway. So there you go, a little review of the Einhell Power Exchange nail gun. Thank you.